In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online voting form using Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Google Forms is a versatile and user-friendly tool that can help you collect responses quickly and efficiently, whether you're setting up a simple poll or conducting a formal vote. So let's get started. First, head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the top left corner and you'll see a big button labeled New. Go ahead and click on New to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from the drop-down menu, you're going to choose Google Forms. This will open up a new tab in your browser with the Google Forms editor. Now, to start from scratch, select the option for a blank form. This gives you a clean slate to customize your online voting form according to your needs. Now it's time to add your form's title. This title should reflect the purpose of your voting form. If it's for a class election or a community decision, make sure it's clearly stated in the title. Once you've named your form, it's time to dive into the core content by adding the voting question. This question should be specific and clear so that your respondents know exactly what they're voting on. After adding your question, you'll notice a drop-down menu to the right that offers several response types. For voting purposes, multiple choice is generally the best option because it allows each respondent to select a single answer from the provided list. Once you've chosen multiple choice, it's time to add the response options. These could be names of candidates, choices on a decision, or any other alternatives on which your participants will vote. Enter each option carefully, ensuring clarity so that there's no confusion among respondents. With your voting form now set up, it's time to preview it. Click on the preview button to see how your form will appear to others. This lets you double check if everything looks good and if the options are correctly formatted. If everything seems in order, you're ready for the final steps. To make your form live, click on the Publish button. After publishing, Google Forms provides you with a responder link. This is the link you'll share with your audience. Click on Copy Responder Link to get this link, then just hit Copy, which will save the link to your clipboard. Finally, you can send this link directly to your intended participants. You can share it via email, social media, or any communication platform you prefer. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward method to create an online voting form with Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and happy voting.